associated with the ongoing conflict in the Middle East region? Thank you.
Yes, we are taking the risk effect of the Iran conflict seriously. We recognize the situation is volatile and could become even more difficult in the coming months. But we believe SM, like what our President says, is in a very solid position to manage through this period. Our integrated business model gives us stability. The malls provide recurring income when other parts of our portfolio are under pressure. We are also managing costs and prioritizing capital spending to protect our cash flow and balance sheet strength. So we're in a very, very strong position, and we believe that moving forward, like what the President Jeff says, we will even be stronger and stronger as in the coming years. Thank you.
Good afternoon again, Mr. Chair. May we ask, how will the company maintain its margins considering the rising cost of business? Thank you.
We're doing actually several measures to ensure that we can maintain our margin. One is, as has been announced, we are actually reducing the mall operating hours. We've started to open now at 10 o'clock. We will also look at deferring some of the critical or non-critical capex or expansions that we have planned before. So we are now reviewing capex for the year, and will probably defer some of those given current situation. There are also other measures like centralizing certain procurement process so that we can leverage more rather than decentralizing some of this procurement. Again, this is a continuous process. We don't know, when this will end. So we just have to continue to look at our operating costs and try to save as much as we can.
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair, Mr. President. I just wanted to ask, high inflation is starting to weaken discretionary spending. How will this affect the mall and hotel businesses of the company? Thank you.
I think the mall will remain resilient. I think our higher occupancy levels across all our Philippine malls will continue to give us a stable recurring business. The hotel is a bit, difficult to call right now because discretionary spending, might actually lessen given the situation now. But we expect the demand to continue, except that we cannot really project in terms of level of growth that we can see for our convention and MICE business.